TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Morning, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 213, the Nasdaq's up 70, S&Ps are up 22, gold contract down $18, trading at $12.71. We have silver down 13 cents, $17.72. Platinum's down $16, $9.56. You got light sweet crude trading at $49.37. Notes. 10-year note down 16 ticks, 125.18. 30-year bond off a full point, 153.06. Now, both notes and bonds, folks, they were down. Basically, the 10-year note was down almost 30 ticks. The 30-year bond was off almost 2 points. The bottom line, they've rejected lower price. They still want higher price, lower yield. King dollar's down 955 ticks, trading at 98.925. Now, King dollar is going after its lowest swing point. I expect you're going to see that thing broken this week. And there's major divergence in the aspect that you get King dollar down and gold and silver down. The euro's trading at 108 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is at 110 to the U.S. dollar. We get over and we take a look at the S&Ps. What you have happening is this. Europe is up from 1.2% to 1.9% rather to 4.5%. 4.5% is the French, the CAC 40. Right now, the SPY, we're at 237.08. You're going into the 237.61 area. That's the downdraft that it hasn't been able to make it over it. So it's going to get, that's going to be where this whole thing gets tested. We did 131 million shares there. And it tried to make it again up on the 5th of April. We got to 237.39. We did 108 million shares. So that's what this whole test is going to be out today. That number. Dow Industrials. The Dow Industrials right now are trading up 221, coming into the exact same area. Last time we were up here, we got to 20,887. It failed. March 21st one, of course, is 20,970. We're a long way from that. The composite, NASDAQ composite, up and over the highs. Composite leaped over the highs. No two ways about that. The high that we're talking about is 59.28. So we're way over that high. We'll see what kind of volume comes in out there today inside the composite. NDX 100, same setup. NDX 100 took all its highs out. The last closing high, last high period, intraday high is 133.48. Gold, what did the gold contract do? Thus far, folks, gold has rejected lower price. You're into the breakout area, that breakout area being the 4th of April, and we made it to 1266 last night. Right now, you're at 1271. If that's all they can do, that's not enough, because you're coming into 375,000 contracts. Thus far, we've done 195. So that is saying we're gonna do big numbers. We're gonna do 280, 290 probably. Silver. We take a look at the silver contract. Silver also made its way back. Silver ran down to 1755. Right now, silver is at 1772. And if we take a look at these bonds, what you have happening in the bonds is this. 10-year first. 10-year right now, trading at a price point of 125.17. It made it down to 125.06. This also came against its strength. It came against where it already had taken a B point out, did it with volume, all of the above, and bottom line, it doesn't look to me like that's going to be a breakdown. You're coming into 2 million contracts thus far. We've done 894,000 contracts. King dollar. We get over to King dollar. We have a King dollar, and here's where the divergence comes in. King dollar is weaker. King dollar is going after its swing point. We've already done 22,000 contracts. King dollar is going to have the volume characteristic to basically, get into that area. 31,000 it's coming into. The price point is 98,670. Thus far, what we've done, we've hit 98,700. You can expect high volatility out here today. We are not even up that much compared to what Europe is up. So we'll see whether this market can catch another breath and make another leg up. It doesn't look like it's going to at this particular point. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking right back here at 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.